Oh, hey!
Look what we got here. Look at you the wrong part of town, blood.
You guys are so amazing.
Don't you know where you're on right now? This is the Supreme Court, homeboy. Yeah. Where you from, blood?
Pennsylvania?
Pennsylvania?
I'm just here to my plumber, sir.
Got her on these parts, blood. Yeah. That's a little bit out of your jurisdiction, blood.
What do you mean?
Come here, blood.
I don't know.
Just listen. Jurisdiction is missing for this one, my friend. If you think you can file in this court, they can get contempt, because this is a case for the states, not federal, kid. You know federalism. If not, you're gonna listen, and then you're gonna get it. See, federalism, my friend, is a system which lists all the several states operate individually, separately, and distinctly. All the feds operate simultaneously. And the thing I'm describing is called rule sovereignty, meaning these state and the feds have the power to solve all their own problems. Some overlaps in the two, and yet some are exclusive. Right now, what that means for you is bringing this case from PA to the feds is useless. Basically, you need to move this. People talk cute about suing and going to school. This is rare that a person can do this, but I can remember the federal and PA system just so that you know where the root is.
Oh, really? Do that for me?
Sure, blood.
Oh, great. What a nice man.
Pennsylvania saying you came from a friend, let me show you the way to file your case in the state. I'ma show you the system, the soul, mistake you don't make. See, the whole system has levels to weight. My friend, the initial one, well, it depends on some owner. If you feel it, you're Pittsburgh, you call it municipal. Counties call it magisterial. District court, which handles landlord evictions. And it is civil, so $12,000 another LNI cases and such. And that's for criminal, they do preliminary stuff. Plus, trials of you crimes misdemeanor. Summary cases like traffic court, no procedure. The second level of court, we're gonna speak up. It's the court of common pleas. Yep, with the civil suit, so it's 12,000 and plus appeals from municipal trials, felony trials from the court, but offers were done with this level, my friend, but some more. These next courts are an immediate when you appeal. From common pleas, you get sent for the Commonwealth Court if you're facing an agency owned by the state, such as works comp, basically, or if you sue in the state. Other appeals from common pleas get relayed to Superior Court or the civil or criminal. Once you lose here, then hell is where you can go. Huh? I'm just playing. If you appeal, then your case will go straight to the top court in the state, and I mean the Supreme Court of Pennsylvania. They have discretion to hear it, they don't have to pick it. Plus, they have more jurisdiction. For stuff like writ of mandamus or habeas corpus directly, you won't have to visit the lower courts in these cases. No, here you go straight to the writs of this nature, and they can take some appeals from these common pleas cases, such as the case that involves the penalty, and they can intervene in basically anything from all the courts below. As for the PA court system, friend, that's what you ought to know.
Wow. That's a lot of information there, sir. But, I'd still like to file my Supreme Court case, if you don't mind. Which way would I get there from Pennsylvania? Huh?
Pennsylvania, I gave you, so you won't take a look case all the way to the Supreme Court of the U.S. of A. Well, these are the steps you will take to get there. Like Pennsylvania, there's levels of courts in the federal trials, which you get at the district court level. Next is the Court of Appeals, which is there in the immediate. Then comes the preeminence, the Elm, no sequel kid. The system broke up in the regions. The terms of these regions are circuits. PA is your state, so your circuit's the third. Delaware's your Virgin Islands and jurors. Run out the circuit, your third, but there's several. 1 through 11, DC, and then federal. Within your circuit, you go to the district. This is the place where your case will begin at. In Pennsylvania districts, either the east and the west and the middle. And your location determines your venue. Generally, in the feds, you can sue, but it's only if you have jurisdiction. Article 3 says your court gets to listen when your case deals with a federal question, or when the parties reside in 2 different states. It's diversity. Or federal statutes the basis for hearing your case. Any case under 75K will not cut it here civilly. But if the payment you're trying to get does exceed that dollar limit, you probably can't proceed. There's more to this, it's just we'll skip it. You go to trial with the district, but if you lose your case, sure they dismiss it. Then to the third circuit court of appeals, you're gonna take it. But if the decision they make is in favor, yeah, then the Supreme Court will take it to. If they choose you, my friend, you have made it. They can refuse like PA, but it's rude out to say this. Your case is civil, but less of your cases federal, criminal, whether the venue's the same in each one of these stages. Trial at the district, the Court of Appeals, and immediate. If certiorari is granted, proceed to Supreme, and if you don't want it, that'll be the end.
Wow, thanks, guys. The Supreme Court guys aren't as bad as they say you are. When do I get back to Pennsylvania? I'm really gonna show that plumber a thing or two. I really appreciate your help, guys. But before I go, I just need you guys to give me your lights. Yeah, hand them over right now. Nobody gets hurt.
Hold on.
Yeah. You take the rings off too. Take the rings off too.